The Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige with SenseIQ technology is not just an electric toothbrush, it's a smart, intuitive oral care device designed to deliver a highly personalized brushing experience with premium performance. Dressed in a sophisticated champagne finish, this flagship model combines luxury aesthetics with cutting-edge dental technology. At its core is the advanced SenseIQ technology, which adapts in real time to your brushing style by sensing pressure, motion, and coverage up to 100 times per second. If you brush too hard, the system automatically adjusts intensity and provides gentle feedback, helping to prevent gum recession and enamel wear. The toothbrush also features premium all-in-one brush heads designed to remove up to 20x more plaque than a manual brush and reduce gum inflammation for visibly healthier gums in as little as 2 weeks. With 62,000 bristle movements per minute, it delivers an ultra-effective clean while remaining remarkably gentle on teeth and gums. Its sleek, compact charging travel case with USB-C capability makes it ideal for frequent travelers, and the battery life lasts up to 2 weeks on a single charge. The accompanying Philips Sonicare app acts as a real-time coach, syncing via Bluetooth to provide customized feedback, progress tracking, and even shows missed areas. The minimalistic design includes a single intuitive control button and built-in smart sensors to deliver a seamless and high-tech user experience. A subtle light ring provides pressure feedback and brushing guidance, while the brush head replacement reminder ensures you're always getting optimal performance. The Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige is also backed by research from dental professionals, further cementing its position as one of the most advanced toothbrushes on the market today. It's designed not just to clean your teeth but to elevate your entire oral health routine, promoting consistent care through intelligent design and adaptive technology. Whether you're focused on stain removal, plaque reduction, or gum health, this brush adapts to your needs and helps form long-term healthy habits. Built with premium materials, including soft touch coating and elegant metallic accents, it balances form and function flawlessly. The Prestige also features quiet operation, reducing the typical noise level associated with high-frequency brushes, making it perfect for early mornings or shared spaces. Every detail, from its ergonomic handle to the stylish finish and smart case, is meticulously crafted for users who want the best in both aesthetics and performance. In a market flooded with electric toothbrushes, the Sonicare 9900 Prestige stands apart by not only promising results, but delivering them through a smart, sustainable, and satisfying user experience tailored to you.